my friends at work told me the other day while I was on my break that I really spend a lot of time prepping my meal, and he said he can't make time to do it himself. I know that I am not in my best mood when I'm hungry, so yes, I make time to prepare my meal on batches. But thinking really through it, I also think I've become smarter when it comes to prepping my meals for the work week ahead. My choice of breakfast would either be a bowl of oats or granola with yogurt and protein powder, bread and omelette, or an omelette wrap, or some ham on top, like what I will be having for today. I make sure that I stack all these options when I do groceries so I can just rotate what I am craving for today. Breakfast is ready. Come on, let's eat. Growing up, I was also raised in a household where we don't want to waste food, and I get that it's boring to eat a dish over and over again for the course of the week. So, over time, I have learned to evolve my meal plan. A ground meat recipe, for example, is good for spaghetti or some burger patty, but also for burrito and tacos. I guess it's also a matter of stocking on some veggies and choice of carbs, so it's easy just to mix whatever it is to your liking. When it comes to stocking on your kitchen staples, it is important to understand your food preferences and how you can mix and match the ingredients to each other so you'd be able to pull out a recipe to your liking. Think about it like in fashion. You reuse your favorite shirt but pair it sometimes with shorts or skirt or pants. Sometimes you even pull out a coat or a cardigan. Just do what works well for you. Sometimes I also think that we try to put a label to everything, like a dish needs to be a certain way, where it could have been just easy to throw on some spices or ingredients you have in your kitchen. It is your taste palette anyway. Would it be less of a taco recipe if I just put in some taco seasoning without some beans and corn? Mm. Oh. Yeah. And during my rest days, I try to learn and try a new recipe so I can incorporate it next time on my list of meal plans. I am quite happy when I try on something new, as it also makes me look forward for my rest days. It's how I show love to myself, where I cook on something good and I love.